This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have essentials, so start now. Open a terminal, confirm Git is installed, and authenticate with GitHub if needed. Next, find the repository and copy the HTTPS or SSH URL. Cloning pulls the full project so you can work locally. Run git clone repo URL in the folder where you want the code. Once done, change directory into the repo and list files to verify. This gives you a local workspace and avoids editing on the web, which is slower and riskier. You should avoid committing to main. Create a feature branch to isolate work. Use git checkout be feature name so you can iterate safely. Edit files with your editor, run the repos tests, or lint checks frequently to catch issues early. When ready, stage your changes with git add paths and commit with a concise message explaining the why. Make sure to run git status and git diff to review what will be pushed. This keeps history clear and reviewers informed. You push your branch to GitHub with git push origin feature name so others can review. Then open a pull request and describe why the changes exist. Include a checklist of tests and any config needs. Address feedback by committing fixes to the same branch. Once approved, merge using GitHub or command line, then pull main locally to sync. If something breaks, revert with git revert or reset, verify tests, and communicate in the PR. This finalizes work and maintains a clean history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.